Lesson 5. Imperative. Take. Put. Open. Close. Please. Take the book, please. What's he doing?
He's taking the book.
Open the book, please. What's he doing?
He's opening the book.
Close the book, please. What's he doing?
He's closing the book.
Put the book on the table, please. What's he doing?
He's putting the book on the table.
Here. There. Where's the black pencil?
The black pencil's here in front of me.
Where's the white pencil?
The white pencil's there on the wall.
Are you sitting there?
No, I'm not sitting there. I'm sitting here.
Is the white pencil here in front of you?
No, the white pencil isn't here in front of me. It's there on the chart.
Capital. England. Russia. Greece. China. London. Moscow. Athens. Beijing. What's the capital of England?
London's the capital of England.
What's the capital of Russia?
Moscow's the capital of Russia.
What's the capital of Greece?
Athens is the capital of Greece.
What's the capital of China?
Beijing's the capital of China.
Reading. Writing. What am I doing?
You're reading the book.
What am I doing?
You're writing in the book.
Am I writing in the book?
No, you aren't writing in the book. You're reading the book.
Am I reading the book?
No, you aren't reading the book. You're writing in the book.
Coat. Tights. Dress. Skirt. Scarf. Blouse. Pullover. Pocket. Handkerchief. What's this?
It's a coat, dress, etc.
What are these?
These are tights.
How many? How many pictures are there on these walls?
There are 2 pictures on these walls.
How many clocks are there in this room?
There's 1 clock in this room.
How many chairs are there in this room?
There are 14 chairs in this room.
How many teachers are there in this room?
There's 1 teacher in this room.
Going to. What am I doing?
You're going to the door.
What am I doing?
You're going to the window.
Where am I going?
You're going to the wall.
Am I going to the door?
No, you aren't going to the door. You're going to the window.